Well, would you look at this? It is still printing after 2 days and 20 hours. We are at 40%. Its head is a lot larger than I thought it was going to be, and I'm now having questions. It's going to be a tight fit when it finishes up. So if my calculations are guessing is correct, it should be finished, we will say sometime, today is Thursday, Friday, maybe on Saturday, maybe Saturday it will be finished if everything goes right. I'm getting a real good finish on it. I'm real pleased with everything so far. So here we go. We'll check back with you tomorrow, and hopefully it will say 3 days, 20 hours, and be at about 50 to 60%. So here's hoping. Talk to you tomorrow.